If you want to get iPhone ringtone on POCO C85, here's what you can do. So in order to get the iPhone ringtone, we will have to download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. In this case, we need to open the Play Store. We're gonna use search at the bottom and then search field at the top. And we can simply type iPhone ringtone in order to try to find it. Of course, you should be able to find a bunch of different apps that provided this feature, but in my case, I'm gonna actually use this one over here. Feel free to try any other app if you don't like this app or if this one doesn't work for you. Still, we're gonna install this one. I'm gonna show you how to get the iPhone ringtone based on this app over here. And now we should be able to open once the app is installed. There we go. We will have to grant some permissions, of course, and grant some consent, and you might see some ads in the meantime too. All right, so let's grant these permissions. There we go. And once that is done, we should immediately see the list of different iPhone ringtones. We can, of course, play them in order to have a little preview of how they sound like. If you find your ringtone that you wish to set, we can tap on these three dots on the right side. Then you can tap on a ringtone over here. There we go. We might still see an ad, of course, so let's just wait for it to skip it. There we go, and we should see that the ringtone has been set successfully. However, just to make sure, we can open settings and then go to the sound and vibration, and then check if the ringtone has actually been set up properly. And it seems that in this case, it has not been set. So you might want to go to ringtone settings over here. Let's select the SIM card. In here, we're gonna go to choose local ringtone and then go to audio files because the audio file should be downloaded. The ringtone should be downloaded on your phone. And we have the file, so we can select it to add it to the list, tap on apply, and then confirm. And now we have the iPhone ringtone on our POCO C85. That's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.